Alright, now we're going to do some other types of arithmetic called concatenation. And this is basically adding words together to form sentences. So let's say A equals hello and B equals world. So we can print A, let's print B, and then let's print A plus B. Save it, run it. So as you can see in Python, when you say A plus B, you're basically saying, okay, print out A and then print out B right afterwards. You're adding the two, what are known as strings, together. And you can also do a little bit of multiplication. Let's say A times 3. So this is going to print out hello 3 times in a row. As you can see. And if we want it to appear normal, what we need to do is say print A plus B, but we also need a space in the middle. So we're going to say A plus quote space plus B. So we print out A, then we add a space, and then we add B. Let's run it. And there you go. So those are some basic string operations. Yep, let's keep it going.